5:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Homestead Bayfront Park, or near Homestead Miami Speedway, moving north at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Homestead, Homestead Miami Speedway, Black Point, the Redland, Turkey Point, Kendall, Pinecrest, Florida City, Homestead Bays, Naranja, Richmond West, Richmond Heights, Country Walk, Kendale Lakes, Leisure City, Palmetto Bay, Cutler Bay, the Miami, Goulds, and the Hammocks. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.